Did you know quinoa is a complete protein packed with essential amino acids? Today, let's make a delicious and nutritious quinoa veggie power bowl. Hey everyone! Excited to share this quinoa veggie power bowl recipe today. It's vibrant, quick to prepare, and perfect for lunch. Trust me, you'll be making it on repeat. Let's talk about a common struggle. Finding healthy, satisfying, and easy lunch options is tough. We often reach for boring sandwiches or takeout. But don't worry, we'll tackle that today. This quinoa veggie power bowl is packed with nutrients and customizable. All right, let's dive into the ingredients you'll need for this colorful bowl. First up, quinoa. It's gluten-free, high in protein, and delicious. You'll need fresh veggies, bell peppers, cucumbers, and cherry tomatoes, super crunchy. And seasonings, olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper to elevate flavors, so it's a win-win all around. Now comes the fun part, assembling our power bowl. First, happy cooking, everyone.